Yes. Actually, Friday we have given the PR overview, right? Anyone can summarize what I have thought on Friday, like about the PR?
Like brief information about PR. Like PR is PR is purchase requisition.
Hmm.
Any of the department then raise the PR about his requirement about the requirement,
Hmm.
and also PR is a first step in purchasing activities.
Hmm.
For creation of PR, we will use ME51N
Hmm.
Tico.
Hmm.
Yes.
What about others?
PR is only for the internal document. It is not for the external one,
Hmm.
and it can be created by manual or automatically.
Okay.
And yeah, there is a code for ME 51 and
Okay.
yes, this is only.
Okay. Just we have gone through the P2P overview, like which I have thought before. Then I given just the basic part of the PR. Okay. Today we will start with the how to create the PR. Like first we will create one material and then we will create one PR. Okay. Once we are done with, we'll move on to the configuration part. That is the like number ranges and the screen fill setting and the types of document which it controls. Like we will finish all the configuration part today. Done. Okay, let me share my screen first. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. First, what I'll do, first what I need to do. Can anyone tell? I need to create the PR. Before creation of the PR, what I need to do? What I need? Yes. For that, we want to create one material. Okay. For that, what I'll do, I'll create normal material. Okay. Yes. And just select for TP time. Create storage location. Okay. Like material for PR creation. Like here randomly I'll take kg. There is material group. Enter. Purchase value key. Valuation class and the standard price I'll mention. Just note it down here. Standard price I have mentioned it as 10. Okay. You'll see the changes in the PR. Note down this material number. So now what I have to do?
Vendor.
I have to do PR, right?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Me?
51 and
Yes. No. Can anyone observe here?
NB standard.
Type. Yeah, actually we are taking a standard document. Okay, NB. I'll in the configuration part I'll tell you how to configure the document type and I'll tell you what it controls also. Just note down here NB. Okay. In the item overview, what I had to do?
Change the material number.
Material number.
Check. Yes. Enter. Under which plant we have created? TP time. How much quantity? I'll take randomly 10 quantity. Then purchase group. Random purchase group I'll take. So if you wanted to mention your requisition name, like Mansa, Harish, anything, you can maintain. See here, I mentioned as an 10 quantity, so it's taken 1 second. Can anyone observe your valuation price 10 rupees? Where I have maintained this one?
Material.
We were creating material.
In material creation.
Standard price.
Yes, standard price. So from material master, it has triggered, okay. And the quantities we have mentioned 10 quantities, okay. In material data, all the material group and the short text and all, it's copied from the material master. So we'll check once if any error is coming. See, no messages issued during check. So what we have to do now?
Ma'am, you have to check.
Yeah, I have done that. No messages issued during check.
Save.
Yes. This is the PR number. Okay. Note down here. Now you understood, right? How to create the PR.
Yes.
Yes.
Months.
So now we will move on to the configuration part. Okay. Let me show you. Here I told you to observe this document type, right? Have taken NB, it is the standard document type. Okay, so we can create the new document type here. For that, we need to configure the things. Okay, before doing that, let me tell you one thing. Like for example, in a material master and vendor master, can anyone remember like which field controls all the number ranges, screen field setting, and all those things in the material master and the vendor master?
Vendor master accounting group.
Okay, and material master?
Material
type.
type.
Yes, the same thing. While creating the purchase requisition, document type will control all the internal and external number ranges and the screen field setting, and all the document types also. For example, what we can do is for the import purpose or for the domestic procurement purpose, we can create the new document type. Okay, these are the standard. Like the NB is the standard one. If you wanted to create different document types for the import material, for the domestic material, for the STO process. See, and one more thing, like when we are doing the STO process, now we have to change the document type as an UB. Okay. But as of now, like I wanted to create the new document type for the import material or the domestic material. For that thing, we can do the configuration part here. Okay. For the practice purpose, take NB as the standard one. Whenever you have to create new document type, I'll show you the configuration part now, how to do the configuration for the document type. Okay. Before that, just I'll write down here purchase requisition. Okay. Just take those points. Purchase requisition. Okay. We'll do the configuration part. So this document type will control all the number ranges and the screen field setting. Okay. So as you are learned in the material master and the vendor master, there in the material master, material type controls all the number ranges and the screen field setting, and the vendor master, vendor account group controls the material number ranges and the screen field setting. The same thing in the purchase requisition, document type will control the types of document, and it controls the number ranges, and it controls the screen field setting as well. Okay. It controls the type of document. For example, for import, we can make one document type. For the export, we can make one document type. For the domestic purpose, we can make one document type. For the STO also, we can make like this. Okay. First thing, it controls the type of document. Second thing is, it controls number ranges. Internal.
What is STO?
STO is the actually you will learn this topic in the future one. Okay, actually the within the same company code we can transfer the material.
Stock transfer.
Okay, like you have intra and inter, everything is there. That as of now, no need to worry this one. We learn one session is that is the MM and the SD configuration. Okay, for the STO process, it's like within a same company code you can transfer from one plant to another plant, like the stock transfer order. That is in the intra and the inter STO we have. For that, you need to change the document type as an UB. Okay, this will be how you will be having the separate session STO process. Done. In field settings. Done. Done with this.
Yes.
Okay. So, and one more thing I have to tell you. So, for the configuration part, you're using the SPRO, right? Like I'll tell you one more shortcut. Just observe in command field, OLME. If you click on this, which screen you're getting?
This
Purchasing,
purchasing.
right? Yeah, whenever you're using the SPRO, you have to follow the just way. SPRO. Here is SAP reference IMG, and then you have to go on to the material management. Then you have to go on to the purchasing, right?
Yes.
But when you go for OLME, you'll get directly this screen, purchasing. You don't need to go for SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then material management. Then you have to choose purchasing, right? Instead of that, you can directly go for the purchasing field. Okay. Just note down OLME. It directly takes to the purchasing view under material management. Done. Manish.
No, just
Okay, note down. Once it's done, let me know.
yes.
What about others?
Yeah, done.
And one more thing in the document type, for the practice purpose, whenever you are going to create the purchase requisition, no, just use the standard one, that is the NP. Okay. But we will learn how to configure the document type also. But whenever you're practicing, use this NB. Okay, so we'll move on to so what will happen in the real time, the client requirement is like they wanted the document type as an anything, like for the import procurement for the material, they want different document type and they want different number ranges, and some specific field should be mandatory. Okay, just I'll give you the one example. Client requirement is need different document type for import procurement. Okay, for this we will do one configuration. For example, for import we'll take some name, for example any alphabet like okay, MP I'll take import, and the number should be start from 1 second, I just took one example. Yeah, two and storage location should be mandatory. Okay, this is the client requirement. Now just have given the example. For this, what we have to do is first we'll go move on to the document type. Okay, first we'll create one document type, then you will get to know document type. For this, I'll show you in the system. Just note down. I'll use the SPRO path only. SPRO SAP reference IMG. Note down. For the document type configuration, we are using this path. First SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then material management. Then you have to go for the purchasing. Once you go for the purchasing, which field you have to go? Anyone? Sukanya?
Yeah. Purchase requisition.
Yes, purchase requisition. Here, what we need to do now?
Different document type.
Yes, define document types. Have you finished the path? All of you?
Yes.
Last where we have clicked after purchase requisition, define document type.
First note down like this. Okay, first we are going to create the new document type here. Okay, for that I have shown you the path: SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then material management, then purchasing. Under the purchasing, you have to go for the purchase requisition. Under purchase requisition, you have to go for the define document types. Done.
Yes.
Click on this, you'll get this screen. So actually we have done for material master, vendor master, and PR. Can anyone tell me now what I need to do?
You can go to position and select as a standard NB.
Yes, very good. Click on this,
Select that one and copy.
select this one, and then
Copy yes.
yes, very good.
Copy.
Now you can change your document type. Okay, so document type, what I can mention, and mention as an Harish. Okay, HM. Okay, purchase requisition for import we are doing, right? So I'll mention import. See here, you can see this line, right? Item in the line item, like Friday has shown you like 10, 20, 30, 40. Whenever you're going to create the purchase requisition, under the line item, you can observe this number, right? 10. Let me go for that field. Give me 51 here. Just I'll take the time we have created one Actually, it's already saved. Okay. See here.
Yes, item.
Yeah, actually we can.
Yes, item.
So, okay. Any number like 1, 2, 3, or 2, 5, 6, 7, like that. You can change that number also. Then this is the line item number, and here what you can observe is number ranges internal and number ranges external, right? Just observe here, there is an internal number ranges for 0, 1 and 0, 2 they have maintained. Okay, for this document type, the standard they have maintained 0, 1 and 0, 2. So in for our document type, we need to assign the number ranges also. Just observe here as of now. Okay, don't change anything as of now. Just will create document type, and then you can observe field selection also, right? Just observe this
Yes.
things. I'll tell you. Like this is for the release strategy. Once you are done with the release strategy, then you will get to know. As of now, not required. So for the creation of the new document type, what you have to do is you have to copy the standard one. Then you have to change the document type here and just give the description. No need to change anything here as of now. Just enter. You'll get this screen. Okay. Copy all. 1 second. Was unmuted. Done. Just copy all. What you're getting? Number of dependent entries copied, right?
Yes.
Just submit. See here, we have created the document type HM, right?
Yes.
So I'll note down here document type HM. Okay, then save. You'll get the CR number. See, I'll check once again whether my document type is available or not. HM. See here, we have created one document type, right?
Yes.
So can anyone tell me now we have done the configuration, what we need to do?
Testing.
Yes, for testing, what I have to do?
ME51N.
Yes, very good. MD51N. Where I need to check whether I have created document type.
Document type
Which document type we have created now?
HM.
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 See here,
Yes.
done, right? By using this, we can create the PR. Done with this document type.
Yes.
Any doubt till here? Sneha,
Ma'am,
Moni.
that, item level, I didn't get it.
Okay, let me wait. 1 second, I'll take this material for the. See here, Srinivas. For the standard, they have done 10 number, 10, right? For what we can do for the document type, if we want some other number, for example, in the standard SAP, what they have done 10, 20, 30 for the next line item, just I'll show you one more thing here. Just let me take one more material. And that's right.
Mansa, what is the purpose of that item number?
Yeah, 1 second. Just you can maintain a different number. See here,
Yes.
10, 20, they are maintained to 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. If you wish to maintain like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can do that. Okay. But in a standard, they have maintained 10, 20. For the one particular line item, they have mentioned 10 or 10, and then the second one 10, 20, and the third one 30. They have maintained like that. If you want changes in this, you can do that. But I'm not going to do. Okay. This is not like the I need to do the settings for this. Just for the normal line item, they have done 10, 20, 30. If you wanted to change the numbers, you can do, but don't change it. Okay.
What is use of that?
it's not like useful or like that. Like you, for example, what will happen in for purchasing department, what they will do now. For example, one at a time they wanted to procure 3 or 4 material. Okay, they will maintain for their reference part. They will mention like this 10, 20, 30, 40 or like that. Their other numbers. It completely depends on their wish. No need to do the 10, 20 and all. Like
Is it mandatory field?
no, 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 no. I'm not going to change anything here, but for your reference part, I just have shown you how to do these things. Okay, but I'm not going to do it. Done? Any doubt?
No.
I will not say this one. So just now we have created one document type, that is HM. Okay. Then we have done the testing part by using which T code?
Yeah, 51.
Yes. Just do the testing ME51N and type your check your document type which you have created whenever you are practicing. So I have created HM. So when I tested it by using ME51N, I can see the HM document type. Okay. This is how we have to do the document type. Though, so the second thing is we can do the number ranges. Okay. Number ranges. So can anyone tell me the path? The same path.
SPRO, SAP reference engine, material management,
Mhm.
purchasing,
Purchasing requisition.
purchase requisition.
Then
And that first one, define number ranges.
Define number ranges.
here, can anyone see the changes here? Completing material master and the vendor master and the PI. What is the changes?
Grouping is
We'll
not
get to
Yes,
like
the groups,
purchase group
groups
is
create a
there.
group and then available.
Sorry.
In the
Any
previous
Create
one, we
group
have
and
the
groups.
usually we'll get the groups in material master.
Yeah,
Material,
this kind of script.
Okay, this type of screen where you can see. See, we have done the configuration for material master, vendor master, and the PIR, right? For material master, we have created the group and then we have assigned the number to that group, right? What about in the vendor master? Has we created the group? Did we created the group and then we assigned the number ranges?
No,
Yes.
No.
no, we have only in the material master we have created the group.
Yes.
Like in
same. Yes, Manish.
creating in the use of MMNR.
Yes, actually in the vendor master, we have not created the group. Only in the material master, we have created the group. And for the particular material type, we have assigned the material type to the group. And then the number ranges also we assign to the material type, right? So here we know we don't need to create the group here. The same thing which we have done for the vendor master. Okay. So can anyone tell me what this field controls intervals?
From the ranges.
Number range of vendor master.
Yeah, only can do the display, right? Whatever the number ranges in the have, only the display.
Okay. Yes.
NR status, can anyone tell? Like, just hold on, Sneha and Manish. Like, Sukanya. Yes, Sukanya. You can try actually.
To know the status of the, I don't know about the NR form, but I think it's kind of to look after the status. What is the position of that requisition?
Manish, can you answer for this question?
Like
Can I
available
try?
numbers,
Yes.
available number ranges for the particular number.
Yeah, how many are
number
used and how many is
How many are
available for
available?
use?
Available.
Yes, same thing.
For example, if I go to display, see here, for this particular number ranges, none of the material are created, none of the PR they are created. Okay, that's why showing 0 in our status. For few of the number ranges, they have created 310 PR. For this, it's showing 31.
Remaining part,
Sorry.
not the remaining one.
Yeah, see, from here, 301 to like 5 lakh, they can create the purchase requisition. Okay. In this, they have created only 310. Only 9 PR they have created. Still, we can create 400 plus PR we can create by using this number ranges. Okay. This is like from to two number ranges, how many purchase requisition or else how many material master they have created. Like in the material management, I have shown you in our status that one. So that's why I'm asking you here. Okay. See, for few of the material number ranges, they have not created none of the PR. That's why it's showing 0. Okay. That is the inner status. So what we have to do now? We have to do the number ranges, right? Go to the change intervals here. Okay. This is for the display. This is for the inner status, as you already know. Just go for the change intervals. What you have to do now?
You have to go interval.
No, you will try
Okay.
with the new intervals, internal and external as of now. Okay, if the number will not take, or else if we get the error, right, like number will overlap. If we get that error, then we will go to the free intervals, or else not required. Okay.
Okay.
First try with your end, like try to create numbers from whatever the numbers is there. If if the system is taking that number, it's fine. Then if it's not taking, if it's giving you the error, like the numbers are overlapping like that, then go to the interval, and whatever the free intervals are there, you can take that one. First we will try for ours. Okay. For this thing, what you have to do, you can see the insert line here, right?
Yes.
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 Click on this. First, I will do for the internal number ranges. Okay. For that, what I will do, already I have taken one example here. See, this I have maintained. For the internal number ranges, I will the client requirement is from 9200150000. The number ranges should start and it should end like this: 9200159999. Okay. This is the client requirement. So the document, the number ranges should start from 9200 and it should from 999. This is the client requirement. First, we'll do for internal number ranges. RH. And then first we'll try with this number. If it's taking, it's well and good. If it's not taking, we'll go with the free intervals, whatever the numbers are available. Okay. Here you can give any number name, RH, HR, TP, anything, whichever they have not used now. Like see A1, AE, AR, BR, DS, they have used so many things. 1 second. Just now I've taken this. Done. I'll try to save it. I'm not getting any error. Just I'll save it on. Okay. And see the checkbox here. Did I check this box for the internal number ranges? What I need to do?
No.
It should be
Only
blank, right?
only remain the same one.
It should be blank. If external is required, then we have to tick it.
Yes. Save it. The changes were saved. If it's taking, it's well and good, or else if it in the below side, if you're getting any error like the number ranges are overlapping, try with the free intervals. Okay. Then we have done for the internal number ranges. Then what we have to do, we'll try for the external number ranges. Okay. before start practicing, note down all the things in the Excel sheet. So it will be easy for you. Okay. What I need to do for the external number ranges?
We have to tick on external.
Yes. Click on the
Checkbox.
check box and then give enter. Let me check. Yes, it took. Then try to save it. See, the changes were saved. Right?
Ma'am,
We are,
ma'am, can you show the external ranges again?
external number ranges.
External number. Yeah.
See, actually we have created this for this. In the same screen, you can create for the internal and the external number ranges. Okay, for that, what you have, I'll not create now, just I'll show you. Okay, already we have created internal and external. Take this line, new item, give whatever the number you have, like whichever the number you want. Like for example, I'll give, yes, okay. From number to any number, like I'll give 7841000000, and then 7841999999. Okay. For the internal thing, you don't need to check this box. Okay. For the external number ranges, you have to check this box. For example, first you create one number ranges for the internal, then save it, then click on this same insert line, then give for the external any other name like TP or TC, anything is there, then give the numbers from to which number you want, and then check this box for external number ranges. For example, see, I'll just try with this number. Okay, see here, enter intervals without overlap. Right? If you are getting this type of the error, what you have to do, go for the interval, then you will be having the free intervals. So whatever the numbers are available here, right? Take any of this number. Here, give any name like the TP, which the number you want. Just go type here and just give submit. Okay, if you are not getting that.
Mansa,
Yeah.
when I was practicing, I tried like this. Once it was not coming in this field also, I'm not getting any options. Like free intervals also not available. In
Yeah,
that, what
See
will
what happened in the material master, right? Material master, while creating the material master.
yes.
Yeah. Do one thing, delete any of the number ranges there. So already so many people are practiced in the server, right? For the material master configuration part, what you can do is check with the already available number ranges, already used number ranges. Like in the NR status, you can see the changes, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So whichever the number ranges they have not used, you can take that, or else whichever the number they have used, just delete that line. In here only you will be having the, wait, let me check. Here, you can see this line, right? The same thing you can do it in a material master also. Select any number like this and delete that line.
Okay, okay,
Okay, then it will come into the free intervals.
okay, fine.
Okay. Sukanya, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we have created one RH, that is for the internal number ranges, and then EX for the external number ranges we have created, right? I'll save it 1 second. Let me check with RHS we have created. That is for the internal number ranges. For the external number ranges, what we have created?
EX.
Yes, we can see this, right? Yeah, done. What we have to do is just we have defined the number ranges. That's all. The next step is, so whenever I'm going to create the PR, do I get the changes what I have done here? Once you are done with the
No.
define
No,
part,
no.
yes. What is the step? You need to assign, right?
Yes.
Where you will assign?
Assignment.
Sorry? Yeah. See, for the material master and the vendor master, you assign to the vendor account group and the material type, right? In the PR, which field is going to control all these things, number ranges and screen field setting and all?
Type.
Document
type.
type.
Document.
Document type.
Go to the defined document type. The same path first do with the defined part, and then the same once you come back in the below side only, you will get the defined document type. Okay. Here, what you have to do, for which document type we need to assign this? Which document type we have created?
HM.
Yes, we have created for document HM, right? For that, we need to assign HM. See here, this is the internal number ranges and this is the external number ranges. Okay. What is the internal number range? Manish?
External was EX and
No, EX for the external number.
external, internal.
We are see here. RH we have created.
RH. Yes, RH.
We mention it here, RH. Okay. For the external,
EX.
yes. Enter. Save it. Whenever you're doing the saving part, the CR number should come. Okay. See, data was saved. Let me check once again whether we have created HM. See, you can see the changes, right?
Yes.
RH and Excel. So you can do only internal number ranges also, or else you can do only external number ranges also. It's your wish. Okay. I've shown you both internal and the external. Done. We are done with the configuration part. Then what we have to do?
For testing.
Yes.
Method testing.
Think what ME 51.
51
Yeah.
and
Go here. I'll ask you one question here. Which document we have created?
HM.
Where I can see it.
Above that.
Yes. I'll give one material and this material I'll take. See, you can see this command field, right? Screen. Suppose what will happen if you maintaining for this document type internal and external number ranges, both the number ranges, if you are maintaining, you can type any numbers here. Okay, just hold on. Like I'll try to give some other name. Okay, 98765. Let me check. See here, document number 987654 not within defined intervals. Why you are getting this error?
We have not maintained that number.
Yes. So what I need to take now?
MI 0000.
We'll try with this. Did I get the error?
No.
That error we have not got.
Yes, this is the difference. Okay. So whenever you are maintaining the external and the internal number ranges, for the external, you have to give the number ranges which you have defined. Like suppose you take for the external number, I have maintained from MI 0000 to MI 9999. Okay. You have to take from here. Or else, if you wanted to give internal number ranges, don't mention anything here. You can create the PR. Done?
Mansa.
Yeah.
For external, we have to mention. It will not come automatically from this data. It will not taking automatically.
It will not take. The reason is, for example, why we have make the difference for the internal and the external. Internal, if you're maintaining internal numbers, automatically the system will take the number, right? From this number to this number. Why we have maintained the external?
External only for the
For our
Client.
purpose. whenever we wanted to mention the number, for example, mi 0011 I can do, 22 I can do, whatever. It's completely like which number from which number to which number you have maintained in the system. It will not take automatically. You have to type the number. Like, see, I have shown you the changes also. For example, for this document type, we have maintained both the internal and external number ranges, right? For example, I
Yes.
showed 98765. I randomly have given this numbers. I entered. What I'm getting? 98765 not within defined intervals. This is the error you will get. What you have to do? So you have assigned. See, you have assigned only from this to this number. So you have to use from this number to this number. You have to maintain manually this number if you're going to maintain external number. In the real time also, the same thing happens. What they will do from, for example, for 10 number ranges, they will maintain for mi 0000 to mi 00110. So they have to enter manually. Okay.
Okay.
If you're going to check the external box, whatever the numbers you're maintaining from to 2, you have to maintain manually. If you're maintaining internally, you don't need to mention anything here. System will automatically takes the number. That also, that number ranges should start from this. It will take from this number. Okay.
Yes.
First, you do one thing while practicing. For one document type, first you maintain only internal number ranges. Okay. Then create one PR. Then note down the number, what number you're getting. Then once you're done with, do with the external, only external. Okay. Then see the changes. Once you're thorough with this two, then create internal and external number ranges for the same document type and see the changes. In the 3 way, you can do see the changes. One for internal, one for external, and one for both internal and external. Then you will get to know.
Okay.
Okay. See randomly. So I'll create one external number in this. Okay. For this, I'll create one PR. 1000 quantity plant TP10 I'll give. Purchase group. Let me check. No, I can do the same. See, no, observe here. mi 0000. I've maintained external number here. Okay. See here, I can create the number. I can create the PR, right? What number I'm getting? mi 0000.
Yeah.
For example, I'll create one for internal number in this. Okay. What document type we have created? HM. Okay. Let me take this. I'll create for internal number ranges. I have not maintained any number here. Okay. Just see the changes. What you're doing. I'll check this. Data. No, I can save it. Observe here. See. See here. 9200150000. Right? Did I mention this number here for the internal?
No.
System is automatically took this number, right? From the starting, from 9200150000. So if you wanted to create one more, see, for example, I'll create one more PR now. Okay. Let me see which number it will give. The second number it will take. Practice multiple times. Okay. So you will get to know. Just I'm showing the 3 things here. 8, 10. Check this one. See. See here. Second PR we have created. Which number it's 9200150001. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
You can see the changes, right? For the internal and the external. I have created 2 PR for the internal and 1 PR for the external number ranges. Now you understood.
You have not checked that box. That's why it is taking automatically and assuming that it is an internal one.
See, for the same document type, we have maintained 2 number ranges. Okay, internal also we have maintained, external also we have maintained.
Yeah.
For example, if you are not going to give the external number ranges here, it automatically takes the internal number ranges. For example, if you wanted to make into external number ranges, you have to give your number. For example, see, I have given this number range, right? You can give this number here.
Okay.
That is the difference. If you're not going to give, automatically system will take the internal number ranges.
Okay.
Number. It will start from this number. Done? Yeah.
Mansa, I have one question. It is confusing me. So why we need to create so many gap number ranges? Means from gap of 500 like this. Why we need so many number ranges when we already create a document type and we have so many material what we are creating from ME51. From MM01 we are creating many material. So we are taking that material and document type also we have created. Why we need so many intervals? Like you have taken MI 0000, even MI 0001 also it will come, right? Why we need so many intervals of that?
See, that's what I mentioned. See, it's not mandatory to create all this document type, all these things. Okay. For the functional consultant, you should be aware about all the configuration part. Okay. In a real time, what will happen? Suppose you take implementation project. Okay. In the implementation project, all the things you have to configure from the beginning. Here already it is the same practice server. That's why you're getting all the things. The number ranges, you can see so many number ranges, right? Internal and external, and the document type also, and the material type also. You can see n number of the material type number ranges and all.
Yes.
In real time, it is not going to happen like this. There, for example, consider I'm the client. Okay. My requirement is I need the document type, like I need 2 to 3 document type. For example, I am procuring from the outside. For that, I need a different document type. And for the domestic purpose, I need different document type. And for the export purpose, I need different document. This is my requirement. And number also specifically I'll mention, like I need from this number to this number. Whenever I'm procuring the material from this document type, so the number should start from here and number should end from here. This is my requirement. For that reason, what you have to do? You have to do the configuration, right? In a real time, whatever the business is telling, like whatever their requirement, we have to follow their requirement, right? We have to do the configuration in the SAP, right?
You're talking about the document number.
Not only document number, for all the things, whichever the configuration part you have done, right? Material type, number ranges, field selection, that and all, it's completely the client requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Just we need to follow the path. Here in the in a SAP server, you already saw n number of the number ranges, and the document type also, and the material type also, and account group also. You can see so many account groups, material type, right? But in a real time, this will not going to happen. There you have to create new material type. Like, for example, my requirement is some other material type I need. You have to create. I need a different document type with the number, and the name should start from like this. I'll only give you the requirement. I need this type. I have shown you here, right? See, this is the client requirement. Need different document type for import procurement. The requirement is like the document name should start from MB. The number ranges should start from this to this number ranges, and the screen field setting, like the storage location, should be mandatory. This is my requirement. What you will do then?
Okay.
You have to do the configuration, right?
Configuration. Okay. Whatever the final document or the PDF or something will generate, is this number will be generated on that, or it will be in the back end only?
It will generate actually whatever the configuration. See, that's what I told you. In a BPD document, they will mention the requirements. All the requirements they will mention. Okay, whatever their requirement, this and all they will only mention. in the PDF, in the document, they will mention this requirement. Just you have to do the configuration part. For example, instead of MP, we have created,
Okay, whatever document type will you create, whatever intervals we are giving, those interval will be reflecting in the final output of the PDF copy.
yes,
Okay.
yes, we will get one copy. Okay, that is what I'm telling. BPD document in the implementation project, you will get one BPD document. There, everything is mentioned. Okay, what and all you have to do the configuration part. They will only mention here. We have taken randomly, like I have taken randomly HM9200 like this. But in a real time, it is not going to happen. They will only give the requirement, what document type they need, what number ranges they want, and what are the required field. It should be mandatory, optional. They will only give the requirement. Just you have to do the configuration part, just by seeing that one.
Okay, fine.
Understood, right? Yep. Okay. So we are done with the number ranges, and we have assigned that number ranges to the document type also, and we have tested also, right?
Yes.
So the third thing is we have done number ranges also. We have done screen field setting. Will do screen field setting. Okay. For this, the same path. SPRO. Can anyone tell me the path?
SAP reference IMC.
Okay. Just for
Material management. Purchase acquisition.
if you want to go directly to the purchasing, which T code you will use?
OLME.
OLM.
Purchasing under this.
Purchase acquisition.
First, I'll show you the field reference part. Okay. First, just observe this. The time only I showed you. I'll show you the field reference in B. And this you know, right? Number ranges, internal number ranges and external number ranges. Scroll down. What you can see, field reference, field selection.
NBP.
NBB. This is for the standard one, right?
Yes.
So what you have to do is, for our document type, we need to do the screen field setting, right? So once you go with the purchase requisition, what you have to do is go for this, define screen layout at document level. Note down this. Define screen layout at document level. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Here you can see a number of the field selection and description. In the position, what you have to give is give the standard field selection, that is NBB. Okay. Continue. What you can see. Oh, the next step, what we have to do. The same thing you have to follow.
Copy.
Copy. Change the name.
So what I'll do, I'll give my field selection reference. Suppose I can give any number here. Let me wait. HM, right? Okay. I'll give HMB. So purchase requisition import for this. Change it here, okay? Change and give any number HMB. Just I've given purchase requisition import, okay? Then enter. You can see your field selection, right? Field selection group HMB purchase requisition import.
Yes.
Yes.
Take this one. In the menu bar, what you can go to, you can see this in the menu bar, go to section, right? Click on that.
Yes.
You'll get details. Okay. Just click on this. See here, what you can see, basic data, supplying plant, quantity, deadline. First, I'll go with the basic data. See here. So what I will do is I will change the storage location. Okay. How to change the storage location from optional entry to required entry? Can anyone tell me the flow?
You can untick that optional entry and
First,
click on that required entry.
uncheck the box and then you have to check this box. Okay. I'll make sure storage location as mandatory required entry. Then shall I 1 second, then what? Okay. I'll do purchase group as an optional entry note. Okay. Actually it's in mandatory. So what we will do, we'll I'll
Uncheck
make
and
optional entry. Okay. Then go back. If you wanted to wanted any changes from any other field, see supply plant, it's an optional entry. If you wanted to make it as mandatory, you can do this. Go back. Then quantity price. For example, see quantity, they are making mandatory entry and the unit of measure and the price and price unit. It's in mandatory. If you wanted to changes in optional entry, you can do the changes here. The same thing. GRIR control, valuation type, batch, everything it's in optional entry. If you wanted any field should be in the mandatory, you can do the changes. The material data, NBM code, everything it's an optional entry. Okay. What changes we have done under the basic data, we have changed from storage location optional entry to mandatory, and then purchase group, it's in the mandatory one. We have changed it to optional entry, right? Go
Yes.
back, go back, save it. Okay. Let me check 1 second whether I have created whatever the changes we have done. Is it showing? Okay. Yeah, then go to details. Let me check. See here. We can see the changes, right? Whatever we have done.
Yes.
What do you have to do now? We have done the definition part of the field selection group. So if I do the testing, do I get the whatever the changes we have done? Manish, don't answer. Neha?
You have to accept.
No, wait. What we have to do? We just define the screen field reference, right? What we have to do?
test.
We need to assign, right?
I need to send a document.
Yes. Go to the define document type. Under the position, which document type we have created?
HMB.
HMB.
Document type I'm asking.
H.
Yes, HMB, it is the field reference we have created. Here, document type we need to mention, right? HM. See here, for the HM document type, we have mentioned internal and external number ranges. Next to this, for NBB, what I need to mention? Which field selection group we have created?
HM.
HMB.
Yes. Give this. Enter. And then save. Done, right?
Mm.
Screen filtering. 1 second. Define field selection group. Example HMB. Assign in define document type. Okay. for the HM document type, assign HMB field selection group and save. Done. Done, Manish.
Yes, yes, I have done.
What about others?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. HM did already saved. Okay. I'll go back and I'll recheck once again. Define document types. HM. Yes. HMB. Just see ya. Yeah, it's saved actually. Okay. We are done with the configuration part. Oh, we need to do the testing, right?
Yes.
ME 51. Yeah. We'll go here. Under this, select your document type. See, for example, what will happen in a hurry if you check NB box and your whatever the material you are giving, whatever the changes you are done now, if you are wanted to test that thing in your particular document type, you have to mention your document type. Or else, if you are trying with another document type and if you are searching where whatever the changes you have made, it will not go into fetch. Okay. Here, which CHM document type we have created. Material, I'll take random. Which material? Yeah, I'll take. Okay, then. See here, storage location. Actually, we make the changes, right? We made it as a mandatory.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
asking storage location. And which changes we have done? Apart from storage location, we have changed one more thing.
Purchase group as
Purchase group. Did we mention it as a mandatory or the optional?
optional entry.
Yes, that's why.
It was optional.
That's why if I enter, I'm not getting any error. Before doing the changes, we have tried one PR, right, by using the material. That time, like for example, I'll show you only. Just hold on. I'll check another document type. Let me take NB document type. Okay, I'll take standard one. Sure. ME 51. Yeah. Okay, NB document. I'll take. See the changes here. See here what it is showing.
Purchase group is
Enter
mandatory.
purchase group is mandatory. For the NB document type, they have made purchase group as an mandatory. Storage location, they are not kept it as an mandatory. It's an optional for NB document type. Okay. See, just give enter. Do we getting any error now?
No.
No, right? We can create the PR. You can see the changes, right? For the NB document type, they made purchase group as an mandatory and the storage location as an optional entry. That's why if you're not maintaining storage location also, it's fine. PR can be created. Okay. For example, we'll create one PR for our document type. ME 51 yen. HM, where it is. Okay. I'll create. Mention DP10 100. Here it's showing enter storage location, right? We make the changes. Storage location we may kept it as an mandatory. That's why we need to mention storage location. I'll give enter. Did I get any error now? No, right?
No.
What is the reason?
Everything we have to we maintain correctly. That's why.
Yeah, purchase group, we make the changes as an optional entry. Storage location, we make the changes as mandatory entry. That's why, right? So check this box. No error is coming. Save it. See. Which number it took? Manish, don't answer.
Third.
Internal or external?
Internal.
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 Why it's showing 2?
It's
It
third
automatically
document.
took the
Actually,
internal number and just
internal
they have
number,
not mentioned the external one.
no, for the internal number, no. The last number I'm asking 2. See here, we are, which number is 9200150000, right? Numbers. Which number is showing here? 9200150002. Why?
Second,
Yeah, we already created 2 PR for the
Yes,
internal one.
coming under the same intervals.
So
You
third
can
PR
the
we are,
next, number.
yes, that's why it's showing 2. If you are going to create next one, it will show as 3. Done. So so we have created the PR also. Let me do one thing. Slash OL. I have to show the changes for you. Purchase requisition. Define number ranges. Okay, I'll show you the changes. Wait. For the internal number ranges, we have created 3 PR, right? So RH. Let me check with this. Where is RH? See here. Why it's showing 9200150009?
leftover.
The leftover numbers, right? Leftover PR. Now you understood, Sukanya?
Yes, ma'am.
We are sent from this number to this number, so we have created 3 PRs actually. So the leftover is we can create these numbers. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are done with the screen fill setting also. Any doubts?
No.
Before configuring anything, whatever the changes you require, note down here which document type you are going to configure, which internal or external number you are going to do. Anything is fine, or anything, and the which field reference you are going to configure. First, note down in the Excel or the PDF Word document. Then do the configuration. First, you have to define the document type or the number ranges or the field reference. Once you're done with the define part, do the assignment part, second one. Once you're done with both those steps, check in the ME51N. That is for the testing. Okay. What will happen? Sometimes you will create the document type, you will not assign that number ranges to the document, and then you will go into test in ME51N. The changes whatever you are done in the definition part, if you're not going to assign to the particular document type, it will not fetch whenever you do the testing. Okay. First, follow the path, define document type, then testing assignment. I'll write down document type is not required. Internal and external number ranges you have to define. So if I getting internal intervals while while creating the internal or external number ranges, what step you have to do? Manish, don't answer. Even Sneha. What about others? I'm trying to create the internal or external number ranges, okay? But in the system, what I'm getting is it's showing the number ranges are overlapping. What I need to do that time?
Free
Go
intervals.
interval.
We have to create new.
What?
We have to create one line.
No?
Free intervals.
Who answered this? Okay, you have to go for the free intervals. Then
Ma'am?
yeah.
Now we are going to free intervals for the copy, right?
Yeah, already see. Try to do the internal and external number ranges first. Okay. If you're not getting any error, it's fine. You can save. Or else in the below screen, what will happen? It will show like
Overlap. Yeah.
overlap.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll write down that also. Numbers or overlap. Okay. That time what you have to do is just I'll show you in the screen. See. Try to define number ranges here, internal and external. If you're getting, it's fine. If you're not getting, see here, you can see here intervals. I'll write down here. Numbers overlap. Go to intervals. Then 3 intervals. Take any numbers which are available. See here, I'll show you. Intervals, 3 intervals. These are the numbers are available. Give it here. For example, what I'll give? I'll give. Okay. Select an interval. Okay. See here. Just what you have done, just you have given this number okay. If you wanted internal number ranges, no need to check this box, just save it. If you wanted this number to be maintained as an external, check this box and save. Done.
Yes.
First try with the internal and external number by giving your numbers. If you're getting, it's fine. If you're not getting, then go with this step and do the changes and save. Done.
Okay.
Any doubts? And whenever you do the changes, save it properly. Okay. Whenever you're going to save, you see our number should come. Any doubt till here? Manish, Srinivas, Harish, Monica?
No.
No?
No.
No.
We have covered. What and all we have covered. Just we have created one normal PR. Okay. By creating one material, we have created one normal PR. Once we are done with, we have move on to the configuration part. In the configuration part, the document type will play the major role. Whenever you're going to practice whenever you're going to normal PR, take the NB standard one. Okay. Only for the configuration part, I have shown all these steps. For example, like document type controls the documents, like which and all documents we can do, import, domestic or STO. STO, no need to worry as of now. Then number ranges and then screen field setting. What we have done, like OLME, I have written just I given one direct path to take directly to the purchasing view under material management. Either you can do the SPRO path or else you can do the OLME. Directly it will go to the purchasing view. Okay. And then suppose in a real time, the client requirement is need different document type for import procurement. Like they will give one name, document type name, and the number should start from this number to this number, and some fields should be mandatory. This is the client requirement. So for that, what I have to do is first I'll have to do the document type. For this, I have showed you the path SPRO setting. Under this, I have created the document type by copying the standard one. Once we are done with, we have tested in the ME51 here. Done. Once we are done with, we move on to the number ranges. Under the number ranges, we have created internal and the external number ranges. Once we are done with this, we have to do this assignment part. See, I have not written it. Assign number ranges to the document type. Okay. Once you're done with the internal or external number ranges, you have to assign that number ranges to the document type. I showed you the step also where you have to do the changes. Once you are done with this, you have to move on to the screen field. Once you're done with, you do the testing part by using ME51N. Test, create 2-3 PRs, internal number ranges and the external number ranges. Try with those two and see the changes. Once you're done with this, move on to the screen field setting. Under the screen field setting, we have created one field selection group, and then we send that field selection group to the document type. Once we are done with this, we have created one PR, right? For the testing part, we have created ME51N, right?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Just hold on.